Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. I have a new video for you guys today. It is my balcony tour. So you guys have seen my apartment tour a couple of times, like during the holidays and during the different transitional periods. But today I have my balcony tour. So everything is done and finished. During this time of quarantine, I really wanted to spend some time getting my house together, getting my mind together, getting my life together, and getting my relationships together. So I actually opted and decided to finish my balcony, my outside patio area of my apartment. I hope you guys enjoy this tour, and depending on how well this video does, if I get a lot of likes or comments or requests, I might show you guys my spring/summer apartment tour. So stay tuned for that, and if we can get this video a lot of likes and a lot of comments, then I'll record that for you too. All right guys, I hope you enjoy, and remember, stay safe out there. Bye.